My dear viewers, today discuss element compounds and mixture based on icse class 6 part 2. Please take the link of part 1 of element compound and mixture icse class 6. Please show the description box. Define the following term. Element. First part, element. A substance that is made up of only one kind of atom is called element. Example, sodium. Symbol of sodium, Na. Next part, mixture. A mixture is a substance that consists two or more different substances together in any ratio. Okay, any ratio. Example here is an example of homogeneous mixture. Next part, metalloid. Some elements show the property of both metals and non-metals. Such elements are called metalloid. Example, boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony and tellurium are a few examples of metalloid. Next part, saving. The method of using a to separate undesirable component okay, from a mixture is called saving. This method of separation is based on the difference in size in the component of separated. ঠিক আছে? Okay. Next part, filtration. The process of using a porous medium, that is filter, okay, to separate fine insoluble solid component suspended in a liquid is called filtration. Filtration is a simple method that is used to separate mixture in our daily life. Okay. Next part, sedimentation. The process in which a solid changes directly into its gaseous state without passing through its liquid state. Iodine, camphor, naphthalene, ammonium chloride are sublimable substance. Next question types, different following terms, that is the differentiate between the following term. First part, element and compound. Elements are pure substance which are composed of only one type of atom. Example, sodium. But compound are substance which are formed by two or more different types of element that are united chemically in fixed proportion. Okay. Example for compound is carbon dioxide, that is formula of carbon dioxide, CO2. Next, ductility and sonority. The ability of substance to be stretched into thin wire. Sonority, the ability of a substance to produce a ringing sound when struck with a hard object. Okay. Next part, sedimentation and decantation. The process in which the insoluble heavier particles of a solution settle down at bottom of the container. Decantation, the process of transferring clean liquid without disturbing the sediment. Okay. Next part, evaporation and filtration. Evaporation is the process where the liquid is converted into vapors. Filtration is the analytical separation technique which is used to separate the solid and liquid. The temperature of the liquid body decreases after evaporation, as evaporation leads to cooling. Okay. Next question type: distinguish between compounds and mixture. Compounds are substances formed by the chemical combination of two or more elements. Next point of compound: the component of a compound cannot be separated by physical method. Compound are pure substance. Example for compound: carbon dioxide. Mixture are substance formed by physically mixing two or more substances together. The components of a mixture can be separated by physical methods. Mixture are impure substance. Example: here is example of homogeneous mixture. Next question types: how to saving method used at construction site. At construction site, safes with large ports are used to separate stone and pebbles from sand. Okay. Next question: explain the method of sublimation with an example. Okay. Sublimation in physics: conversion of a substance from the solid to gaseous state without its becoming liquid. An example: the vaporization, that is the vaporization to frozen carbon dioxide, that is dry ice, at ordinary atmospheric pressure and temperature. The phenomena is the result of vapor pressure and temperature relationship. Okay. Next question: what is principle behind magnetic separation method? Okay. The mixture containing magnetic and non-magnetic components is separated by this method. Okay. Usually it is applicable to solid mixture. The magnet is removed over the mixture close to components of the mixture. Next question type: explain the method used to separate a mixture of sand and sugar. My dear viewers, sand is not soluble in water, but sugar is soluble in water. So the mixture can be dissolved in water. Sugar will form a solution with water. Okay, sand will settle down. Okay, sand can be filtered and separated. The sugar can be obtained by the crystallization. Okay. Next question: mention the appropriate method for separation of following the mixture. Number 1 is solid mixture in which component have different size. That is the process saving. Okay. Next part: a mixture that has components with different magnetic properties. Ensure magnetic separation. Okay. Thank you, my dear viewers. So the video, please show the next part, part 3. Part 3 only for discuss objective type based on element, compound and mixture, icse class 6. Okay, thank you my dear viewers, thank you students.